All right, so we're going to work on a couple questions using base 10 blocks online. So to do that, we come up here. We're going to hit add because our first problem is an addition problem. And we're going to hit hundreds place, so we have our three columns. The first problem is 259 plus 582. So we're going to start with our hundreds. We're going to put them up here. We have two hundreds. We have five tens. And we have nine ones. Oh, come on. All right, so we have 259, it popped up over here. All right, and then for our second part, we have 582. So do our hundreds first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 500. And 8 tens, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then our ones, we have two ones. 1, 2. So we have two. So over here we have 259 plus 582. I'm going to line them up because I like having them in a nice single file line. Then we're going to hit add. So looking at this is definitely more than 10. So we're going to regroup that and send it over to our neighbor. And then we're left with one little guy all by himself in the ones place. And then we go over to our tens, count them up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 tens. So that's too many. They're not all going to fit. So we're going to regroup and send 10 sticks next door. And that leaves us with 4 sticks. So we have 4 tens. And we come over to our hundreds. We don't have to regroup because they're all under 10. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 800s. So that gives us an answer of 841. We check it and it's correct. So we're going to clean this up and we're going to go to the next problem. Our next problem is a subtraction problem. So we're going to come down here to subtract and we're going to hit our hundreds place like we did with addition. And our problem is 651 minus 363. So we're going to start with 651. So we have our hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then our tens, we have 5, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, and 1, 1. Okay, so unlike the addition problem, the second number didn't pop up down here. So we need to start taking it away. So we're going to line them up and then we're going to subtract. So we can't take anything away from the ones place because there's only one little guy hanging out here by himself. So we're going to borrow from our neighbors and we're going to regroup this way. That's going to break up a 10 stick. So now we have enough to subtract. So we need to take 3 away. So we're going to do that. 1, 2, 3. And you can see the numbers starting to pop up over here. And then we're going to hop back over here to our tens place. And we need to take 6 away, but we don't have enough to take 6 away. So we need to go next door and borrow some. So we're going to hit regroup. Oop, wrong one. I know. Thank you. Going to borrow from the hundreds and we're going to send 10 tens next door. So now we have enough to subtract 6. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to go over to our hundreds place and we're going to take away 300. So 1, 2, 3. And now we have our full equation, 651 minus 363. So to get the answer, all we're going to do is we're going to count what's left. So we have 2 hundreds. There we go, 2 hundreds. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. And we're going to check that. And that's how you do addition and subtraction problems by using online base 10 blocks.